Gardening Together, Growing Skills and Bonds. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful phrase, gardening together. This isn't just about planting seeds in the soil. It's about nurturing growth, fostering relationships, and learning English in a context that's both practical and heartwarming. Whether you're a language learner or a gardening enthusiast, this video will help you understand the depth of this simple yet profound activity. Gardening together goes beyond the literal act of planting. It symbolizes collaboration, learning, and sharing experiences. In English, when we talk about doing something together, we emphasize the aspect of unity and teamwork. Gardening, in this context, becomes a metaphor for joint effort and mutual growth. It's about working side by side, learning from each other, and watching the fruits of your labor grow. Gardening together offers a multitude of benefits. It's a hands-on learning experience where language learners can expand their vocabulary related to nature, tools, and processes. It's also a social activity, providing a platform for practicing conversational English in a natural setting. Furthermore, it fosters emotional connections and well-being, as working with plants has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. Incorporating gardening into language learning can be incredibly effective. It offers real-life contexts for using new words and expressions. For example, discussing the steps of planting seeds or describing different plants and their needs can enrich learners' vocabulary and conversational skills. It's also a great way to practice giving and following instructions, asking questions, and sharing observations, all in English. To make the most of gardening together, consider these tips. Choose simple projects to start, especially if you or your gardening partner are new to gardening or learning English. Use the experience as a teaching moment. Label plants and tools in English. Discuss the growth stages, and talk about the weather's impact on the garden. Be patient and encouraging. Gardening, like language learning, takes time and effort. Celebrate small victories and learn from the challenges. We hope this video inspires you to try gardening together as a way to learn English, build relationships, and enjoy the beauty of nature. It's a wonderful journey of growth, both for the plants you'll cultivate and the language skills you'll develop. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening! Remember, every seed planted is a step towards a richer understanding of the English language and each other. See you in the next video.